This video will guide you through the installation of the Mele plate delete for the 2015 Plus Subaru WRX and STI. For this install, you'll need the following: 1/8 inch Allen or hex key, supplied well nuts, head cap screws, and your Mele plate delete. To begin installation, start by either removing or relocating your license plate and license plate bracket. Insert the supplied well nuts into the holes on the bumper. Then, using the supplied screws, mount your plate delete and tighten the screws. Your installation of the Mele plate delete is now complete. For any additional information on our products, you can check us out online at www.meledesignfirm.com.